Did you know that you could use the ebbs and flows of your hormones to maximize fat loss? Yep. Over the next few minutes, I'm going to run down for you how to use the ovulatory phase to maximize fat loss, increase fitness levels, and to quite frankly dominate in other areas of your life. For those of you that don't know me, I'm Phyllis Thompson, your favorite hormone hacking coach for weight loss. In every single one of my videos, you can expect to walk away with at least one tip that you can implement immediately to start shrinking that waist and feeling better right away. Now let's talk about the ovulation or the ovulatory phase. This phase is very short, and we like to think of it as summer, usually lasting about 3 days. Fun fact, did you know that your cervix raises higher during the ovulatory phase in an attempt, or God's or nature's attempt, to make sure that that egg gets the best and fittest sperm? For the sperm, it's a very long and arduous journey to go to the cervix, through the uterus, and get to that fallopian tube. So it's God's or nature's attempt to make sure that that egg gets the best sperm. Fun fact for you. You can use that for trivia someplace. But physically, your levels of estrogen and testosterone are at their peak during this time. You will often feel more attractive. You'll feel like your skin is glowing. Your sex drive tends to be higher. It's God's attempt, him being the genius that he is. He designed our bodies to do exactly what he commanded the first humans to do, which was to be fruitful and multiply. Well, in order to maximize our genetic potential, it makes sense that you're going to feel more in the mood when you are ovulating. But how do you maximize this information for fat loss, or this time for fat loss? Well, to help you be fruitful, your energy levels will be higher. It's a great time to continue that extra physical activity that you started in the first phase, or high impact workouts, even group workouts, as you're likely to still be feeling social from that first phase. Other ways to maximize this time with those surging hormones, it's a great time for job interviews or anything where you need to be on your A game because you're operating at your peak with that surge of testosterone. It's also a great time to ask for a raise or to have important conversations, networking or public speaking events, launching a new business venture, scheduling date night. I mean, you are ovulating, so your body is ready to procreate. You're going to feel more assertive because of this. This might also be a great time to ask that special someone out on a date that you've been eyeing. You are going to feel more assertive right now. And physical exercise, activities and sports, and the obvious strength training and weightlifting maximize that extra testosterone, which is going to help with fat loss and building human growth hormone. A little side note for my ladies with PCOS. You naturally have more testosterone than other women. With the right nutrition changes and workouts, you can really make some great changes to your bodies. So don't allow that diagnosis to get you down. You've got this. If you need a more customized approach to your fitness journey, drop the word hormone in the comments, and we can talk about whether the hormone hacking for weight loss program is a good fit for you to reach your goals faster. That's all I've got for you tonight. Until next time, ciao.